It's not about student, it's not about the public, it's about your education, how you are going to speak it. So we are going to have a debate practice today. It's not like competing somebody and making somebody lost the debate. It's the way how we are going to speak it, how we are going to deal with the situation. So today we are going to start this. We have a small team here, but these people are a little bit senior, and these people are supporting separate family point. And these people are sitting, they are supporting joint family point. So let's begin with the topic and let's see how they are going to speak it.
We can't relationship together because we always fight then. Because we jealousy, that's why he can't raise. That's why separate family is always to each person relationship more and more love each other. That's why it's very beautiful and you know very well.
कोई और जवाब दीजिए क्या? चलिए सेपरेट फैमिली से कोई जॉइंट फैमिली से कोई और जवाब दीजिए. वर्मा जी आप बोलेंगे. अच्छा मुंह में दही दिमाग के आए हैं. सलमान उन्होंने मना कर दिया तो आप भी कर दीजिए. भेड़ चाल को शांत हो जाए.
अरे सर इन्हें तो एक्सपीरियंस
है तो दिखाएं. इतना आता है बोलिए. आप नए हम जानते हैं बोलना.
Thanks for giving me opportunity. I am favor joint family. Joint family is better than separate family because joint family is very powerful. So other families fighting. So joint family win. So joint family is better.
Other party fighting, other family fighting, joint family has more members.
How to say that? Why are you fighting? How to say that? Why are you fighting? And
Why are you fighting by the way?
I am not a illiterate because I am study for CBSE. I am not a illiterate, so I will fight another people.
But sometimes suppose some
Not sometimes because I prefer to CA and also bodyguard also there. He always fighting. That's why because we earn money and we always salary with us. That's why it's not a joint family. We like a hockey and we take gun. We know that joint family also and always fighting with us because he crowd area and he always fight them because we get something and we more something. That's why.
So separate family is no fighting because and the joint family is there more than fighting because like sir properties and properties and other issues. So the joint family is all time fight. So sir separate family is best.
सेपरेट फैमिली इज फ्रीडम्स, जॉइंट फैमिली नॉट फ्रीडम्स, नो फ्रीडम्स.
And you don't target is one only of study. His joint family is joint family not supported for studying, and then you have got the good education, and you all time support his joint family.
We know that I am not target study education because I am responsibilities also. That's why it's not a target for education system. I am responsibility also because I example that my elder brother is going to business side and I don't know what did you think and what are you doing. That's why it's not a responsibilities there. Because you can't responsibilities, you can't handle this situation and this career because you focus on career. It's not a education. I'm not a focus on education. I also business line.
Separate family like a comfort zone and no competition, and you live in the joint family and all time cousins and competition, so you need to and get the education and competition fight, and you have a separate families, not focus for parents, and you then your elder brothers is earn money, use very and your father is earn money, you very comfortable. Then people is live in the comfort zone, and you don't get a success.
Separate family parents are also supported for children, and joint family parents not supported, and joint family parents not care parents, because he all time mothers all time in kitchen, and father no focus. So sir,
No focus on children.
on children. So joint family is separate family is best.
And we know that crowd is more much because we can study in our room, and because we already cried, and see ma'am saying is and this ma'am saying ma'am what can you say again? And competition, we know that competition we know that competition is more crowd area, that's a real competition. And joint family always competition and jealousy, because I separated family, and we only fathers, mom, and one sister and one brother. It's no competition. We always do something and always motivated and demotivated not.
बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया, मजा आ रहा है, चिट वेट करने के यहाँ कहाँ से सीखा है? बहुत ही चिट वेट कर रहे हैं
Sir, every person
अरे
Sir, every person live in the comfort zone, and he's get a success, but then is more like a Modi ji, and this is the purchase the tea. He's become a PM, but then people is all time comfort zone. He's all time get a success, but he's very struggle, and
It's not a joint family because we very much responsibilities. That's why he sell out tea.
then you have a comfort zone, and you don't and every person easily fight for every success.
So I am supporting joint family, and why I am supporting, I am giving you the point about it. Joint family is very good because we need more crowd to live together. We are living in you know why jail is difficult to live? Jail, why we are given the imprisonment as a punishment? Because jail has a tendency you live separate from the other prisoners, and this is why we feel so much frustrated and depressed. This is why jail is a punishment. Otherwise, anybody can live alone. And in the jail, there is no more punishment like this. So you are captured there. You are not able to contact with the people. So you do not want to do what you want to do, right? But in a joint family, this is opposite. In a joint family, we have more people to discuss with. We love each other and we have more feelings. We learn a lot. We face jealousy, we face greed, we face education, we have to face roka toki, these all things. So this is education. These situations are making you stronger. And in a separate family, you are living according to your own wish and at your comfort zone. I think you are not learning much there, as you learn at joint family. Joint family has comparative tendency. They are comparing all the time, uncle's daughter, these all things. So you learn to face these all things in the joint family. And in the separate, you are living alone according to your own wish. I don't think there is much education. So now I want to ask how you think that separate family is better from the joint family.
And my Tauji ko sir kya kehte hain? My uncle is always fighting how to feel this, and this irritate, and it's only confusion and only irritate, because you can't handle this business, and because we give some not opportunities and not responsibilities. You can't handle this situation. How to control this problem?
Jealousy problem.
Yes, sir. Because we fighting always together, and I can't I can't, responsibility is there. How to control this situation?
Jealousy has a tendency of human being that we jealous when we see that people is more than us. So you can reduce it by helping others. If you give some share of your profit to them, and if you show them your problems more than your achievements, so they will feel less jealous of you. And another hand, they should feel love about you. And if it's very, very much jealousy, we should separate also. We should live separate. But all the time, this situation is not right, that people are not able to handle. Sometimes they handle also.
But sir, sometimes, no, mostly.
So in the separate family, sometimes
Family is there, and I.
sometimes in the separate family, sometimes children hate their hate their parents. How will you handle this? In the separate family also happens. I have a boyfriend. Suppose some girl is saying, I have a boyfriend. A boy is saying, I have a girlfriend. Parents are not agree. Then they will definitely hate. So these situations can come anywhere. It's not about separate and joint. Problems can come anywhere. But I have.
Because I can handle this situation because I live in JMPS hostel and I live in Gorakhpur hostel. I experience is always, joint family is always missing her. Always miss my dad, miss my mom, and always grandfather. You could not say that you can't miss out because we always separate family. He know some illusion. It's not a separate family. You know very well. Some children is not a illusion because you always illusion type. It's only lonely, alone. That's why it's not a illusion compared to joint family. You're always crying out.
Separate family separate family is study, and joint family not study. And joint family is fighting, and separate family not fighting.
Very good. Joint family fighting, separate not fighting. ये प्रॉब्लम्स पाई जाती हैं. आप बताइए कैसे सेपरेट फैमिली बेटर है.
Sir, separate family is more freedom, and joint family is no freedom. And separate family members are all and office and sir more and more sir and many issues. So separate family is best.
As she said that in the joint family kids can't study properly, but I think in the joint family kids can study properly because for the kids help full family. So but in the separate family nobody can't help kids. So separate family is better. Joint family is better.
And then ma'am say, and separate families not fight, and joint families fight. But then separate families fight, and this person separate families, 2 children, 1 girl, 1 boy, and you fight, and you don't explain for feelings for mother and father, and you have a cousin, you explain this, then you don't leave, you don't talk these people, you as very frustrated for own self कि I have no, because I live in the joint families, and my cousins go to live in the Agra, and he is only 1 girls and 1 brother, 1 girl and 1 boy, and he is all time frustrated. He say कि I live in this, he is share for feelings for sisters, and very happy this time, and these go and all time studies
In the separate family, right? It's good. It's comfortable between the brothers or among the brothers if more than one. But I want to ask ki in the joint family, as you said, there is jealousy, right, with the cousin brothers and all. But you know that if we are having any festival, we are celebrating together. If we want to study, we are studying together. Group studies, right? If we want to fight, we have more people to fight. And if we are facing any problem, your brother, uncle, everybody can support you little bit. It's jealousy is more there where people are not able to handle their feelings. But in an educated and good family, people are not that much jealous. As you can see, some people are fighting for the property, but others who are not fighting for the property because their grandfathers and grandmothers distributed property very logically, with the right way, so they have no scope of cheating. But where grandmother, grandfather, they are not expert, they are not good at distributing the property and these all things, then brothers fight for the property. So always there is not jealousy and the fight. You can easily handle it also. Like suppose you want to go into a marriage party, you don't have a necklace, and you can take that necklace from your sister. She is also living in your house, right? So this is cooperation. And suppose you are not at home, house is vacant, somebody can rob it. So in the joint family, many people are living like Jilla. So there is no dare of any robbery can take place, I think, and it's very, very comfortable, and we have a power inside our mind because we have more people at home. We can call anytime, we can have support of them, these all things. So jealousy is not a great factor. We should not divide our family on the basis of jealousy.
I also agree with you.
Not only issues, separate family is.
Sir say that joint family is very festival. We celebrate festival, and sir, separate family also celebrate festival with relatives, not and neighbors. So sir, separate family best, and yes.
In the joint family, kids get proper guidance and support for family members. But in the separate family, I found not proper support, and joint family is better.
So then, sir say, and not good study, but then people directly not a bigger for studying, and small time he is living the cousin, and you go to the outside like others, so you get a success and properly study. And then people say ki my uncle and my father and all time fight and feel jealousy. Then you learn this your uncle ki how to handle this jealousy. Then you do the job, and your mate and your boss like this person, and you handle very easily. And
Okay, so thank you so much for watching this. So finally we had this great debate, and we hope to see you again.